3. Simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. Here you have to simplify this and write in exponential form. First you have to simplify this. The formula law is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Yes. So here both the bases are same. So 29 power 7 minus 5 into 29 power 3. Okay. So 29 power 2 into 29 power 3. Again, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, isn't it? So, you can write this as 29 power 2 plus 3. The answer is 29 power 5. You shall see the next one. Minus 16 the whole power 4 into minus 16 the whole power 2 into minus 16 the whole power 3. Here all are in multiplication and the bases are same. So, here we are using the laws. Which formula? A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So, first remove this bracket. So, minus 16 the whole power 4 into minus 16 the whole power 2 into minus 16 the whole power 3 divided by minus 16 the whole power 8. Now we can write this 1 minus 16 whole power 4 plus 2 plus 3 divided by minus 16 the whole power 8. Isn't it? So now minus 16 the whole power 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9 divided by minus 16 the whole power 8. Now here the formula is a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n, isn't it? So minus 16 the whole power 9 minus 8 is equal to minus 16 power 1, isn't it? So the answer is minus 16. Okay. Now we shall see the exercise 18.1 understanding max. Simplify using product law of indices. Here we are going to use the product law. Okay. Solution. Here 5t square into 7 into t power 5. Constants outside. So 5 into 7. And here the bases are same. So t square into t power 5. Here we are using the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So 7 5s are 35 t power 2 plus 5. So 35 t power 7 is the answer. So we have simplified. The answer is 35 t power 7. 18.1 understanding max. In this simplify using quotient law of integers. What is the quotient law? Yes, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay. The question is 15 a power 4 b power 3 divided by 5 a square b square. Now we can cancel 5 and 15. 1 times here 3 5s are 15. Then the quotient rule. Using the quotient rule, a power 4 by a square 4 minus 2. Then b cube by b square b power 3 minus 2 is equal to a square b is the answer. So answer is equal to a square b. B power 1 we have written as b. Okay. Third question. Simplify using power law of indices. Here the power law is, yes, a power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n. Okay. Using this formula, we are going to do these all sums. 4 power 5 the whole cube is equal to 4 power 5 into 3 equal to 4 power 15. Then second one, 32 power 3. We can write the 32 in exponential form. How? 32, 2 table 1 times, 6 times. Then again 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Again 2, 1. How many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. So you can write this as 2 power 5, the whole cube, the whole power 4. Isn't it? Now you have to multiply. 2 power 5 3s are 15. 15 into 4. 15 4s are? Yes, 2 power 60. Now we shall write the 15 cube, the whole power. So minus 15 the whole power 4 3 into 4 is equal to minus 15 the whole power 12. Then the next sum, 2 power 1, here also 2 power 1. So we can write this as 2 power 2 y cube, 2 power 2 y cube, the whole power 4. Now this 4 goes to both the terms. So 2 power 2 the whole power 4 into y cube the whole power 4. Now 2 power 4 2s are 8 into y power 3 4s are 12. And the fourth sum, simplify using laws of indices. First sum, here we have to use the quotient law and then we have to use the product law. First solution, quotient law is a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So 4 power 7 divided by 4 power 3 into 4 power 3, isn't it? Now 4 power 7 minus 3 into 4 power 3. Then you can write this as 4 power 4 into 4 power 3. Here we are going to use the product rule. That is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So 4 power 4 into 4 power 3 is equal to 4 power 4 plus 3 is equal to 4 power 7. So the answer is 4 power 7. Okay. Then the second sum. Here also we have to divide. First we have to divide, after that only we have to multiply. That we know already, isn't it? Using the BODMAS tool. So 8 power 4 into 8 power 6 by 8 power 3. So we are using the quotient law, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So 8 power 4 into 8 power 6 minus 3 is equal to 8 power 4 into 8 power 3. So 8 power 4 plus 3. Here we are using the product rule. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. Is equal to 8 power 7. So the answer is 8 power 7. And the third sum, 4 cube into 5 square the whole power 4. Here we are using the which law you are going to use here? Power law. Power rule. 4 power 3 into 5 power 2 the whole power 4. isn't it? The power rule is a power m, the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So here 4 power 3, the whole power 4 into 5 power 2, the whole power 4. So 4 power 4 3s are 12 into 5 power 2 into 4 is 8. 4 2s are 8. The answer is 4 power 12 into 5 power 8. Then the fourth problem. 3 power 4 the whole square. Here also the same power rule. Isn't it? So 3 power 4 into 2 into 3 power 1. So we can write this as 3 power 8 into 3 power 1. Here you can use the formula as a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So 3 power 8 into 3 power 1 is equal to 3 power 8 plus 1 is equal to 3 power 9. Yes. So the answer is 3 power 9. Here, fifth problem. Find the value of, we have to find the value of. Okay, solution. Here, minus 2 power 0. Minus 2 power 0 plus 7 power 0 minus 3 the whole power 0. Okay. Any number power 0, a power 0 is equal to 1. Isn't it? So minus 2 the whole power 0 is 1 plus 1 minus 3 the whole power 0 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, 1 is the answer. So answer 1. Here 216 power 0. Yes, the value is 1. Any number power 0 is 1 into 1 into 512. Here you have to find the value of 1 into 512 is, yes, 512. The answer is 512. Here they asked to find the value. So you have found the value. 125 plus 25 power 0 plus 160 power 0. Solution. Here 125. 25 by power 0 is 1. Plus 160 power 0 is, yes, 1. So 125 plus 2. And the answer is 127. Okay. Then minus 17 the whole power 0 is 1 into minus 80 the whole power 0 is 1 minus 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1. So the answer is 0. Answer is 0. Negative exponents. Here, what is meant by negative exponents? 2 power minus 1. We can find the value of 2 power minus 1 now. No. We already studied a law. What is that? Yes. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. First you have to change the power positive. After that only we can find the value. Okay. So 1 by 2 power 1. So the answer is 1 by 2. And here 2 power minus 2. We cannot write this into 2 into 2. So first you have to change this to positive. 2 square equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay, now we shall see the examples. Example 8. Minus 3 the whole power minus 2 into minus 3 the whole power minus 4. Solution. Here we know the product rule. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So minus 3 the whole power minus 2 into minus 3 the whole power minus 4. The bases are same. So you take one time. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 3 the whole power. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is minus 6. Okay. Minus 3 the whole power minus 6. You have to change the power positive. So 1 by minus 3 the whole power 6. Okay. So the answer is 1 by minus 3 the whole power 6. 7 power 3 divided by 7 power minus 4. Solution. Here we are going to use the quotient rule. That is a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Now 7 cube by 7 power minus 4 is equal to 7 power 3 minus minus 4. Here minus into minus plus, isn't it? So it's equal to 7 power 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 power 7. Okay. The answer is 7 power 7. And the third sum. Here 1 by 27. You can write 27 as 27. 3 table. 9 3s are 27. Again 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 1. So we can write this as 3 cube into 2 power minus 3. Okay. We can write this as 3 cube means 1 by 3 cube into, you have to change the power as positive. So 1 by 2 cube is equal to 1 by 3 cube. 3 into 2. The powers are same, isn't it? You can write 3 into 2 powers 3. So 1 by 6 power 3. So the answer is 1 by 6 power 3. You can write this as 1 by 6 the whole power 3 also. 1 power 3 is 3, 1 only, isn't it? So we can write this as 1 by 6 the whole power 3. 10. Find the value. 1 by 3 power minus 4. Okay. Solution. We have to find the value of 1 by 3 power minus 4. Okay. Here we know the formula to change the power negative to positive. What is that? A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, isn't it? As 3 power 4. 3 power minus 4 comes as 3 power 4. Okay. So the answer is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. So the answer is 81. The second sum is 2 by 7 the whole power minus 2. Here also you have to use this formula. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Here you can write that 2 by 7 the whole power minus 2. You can write this as 1 by 2 power 7 the whole power 2 it will come, isn't it? So we can write this as 7 by 2 the whole power 2. Okay. Now 7 into 7 by 2 into 2. So 7 7s are 49 by 4. So the answer is 49 by 4. Okay. Then third one. Solution. Here also the powers are negative. First you have to change the powers to positive. Okay. How to change? 2 power minus 3 into 5 power minus 3. Okay. The bases are different but the powers are same. So we can write this as a power m into b power m. ab the whole power m, isn't it? Like that you can write. So 2 into 5 the whole power minus 3. Now you have to change the power to positive. Is equal to 10 power minus 3. You can write this as 1 by 10 the whole power 3. So the answer is 1 by 10 into 10 into 10. So is equal to 1 by 1000. Isn't it? 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. So 1 by 1000. So the answer is 1 by 1000 is the answer. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.